Menzies and welcome back to my channel. We are here at the one and the only Cadwell Park. We're here for an MSV track day, which means that we're going to have 7 sessions that we're going to be out on 20 minutes a session. I'm going to be basically going out on Bruce, which is my Kawasaki ZX636 from 2019, and we're looking to get some magic going. I'm hoping for this particular day that I'm actually going to break my personal best lap time, so hoping that I can get down to a 1:45.5 or below. If I do, you're going to hear some very loud cheering. So I'm going to guide you through each one of these sessions. I'll give you a little intro to each of the ones and then bring you along. We'll bring you all of the graphics, all of the analytics, and tell you what it's all about. So stay with me and enjoy the ride. So we're here at Cadwell Park and I'm just about to head out onto the 3rd session of the day. This one is going to be a little bit interesting. Unfortunately, it doesn't quite go to plan for many riders. We actually end up having, would you believe, 2 red flags in the same session. So we go out and manage to do a couple of laps, and then unfortunately it's red flagged as someone came off, and then we come in, bit of a wait, and they send us back out again, and we literally have like a lap, and then unfortunately someone falls off again, I assume cold tyres. So unfortunately not too many laps in this session, which is a bit of a shame, because actually 3rd session is normally my session for breaking lap times, so I'd have to try and find some speed later on in the day, I guess. But still worthwhile having a watch. Do come with me and enjoy the ride. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.